हेलो माय ब्यूटीज़, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ श्वेता और आप लोग देख रहे हैं श्वेता's ब्यूटी वैनिटी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी नवरात्रि एंड दुर्गा पूजा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आई होप यू गाइज आर डूइंग वेल, स्टेइंग सेफ एंड हैविंग ब्लास्ट विथ योर फैमिली। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं ये इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल मेकअप लुक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी जो कि बहुत ही सिंपल है। मैंने सिर्फ एक आई शेडो यूज़ किया है टू क्रिएट दिस लुक। एक्चुअली आई वोर दिस लुक वन ऑफ माई प्रीवियस वीडियो जहाँ पे मैंने ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी शेयर किया था आप लोगों के साथ, and I got few requests from you guys to recreate this look to make a tutorial of it. So here I am with full face makeup tutorial. So guys, if you want to know detail about this look, please बने रहिए मेरे चैनल पे और इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखते रहिए। And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell notification button so that whenever I upload video or anything on my channel you can get notified about it. So guys, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। The main attraction of today's look is base makeup. To achieve that glowy, luminous, dewy base makeup, हमें स्किन केयर बहुत अच्छे से करना है before applying any makeup product on our skin. So as a makeup primer और moisturizer मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Correcting Cream, which works as wonderful moisturizer. Now for my under eye area I'm using this Pharmacy under eye cream as I have some dryness and swollen under eye, so for that I love to use this eye cream. In the next step I'm going to use this primer which is from Becca Cosmetics and it is called a backlight priming filter. This product helps to give that instant glowing effect on your skin. As you can see मैं पूरे स्किन में पूरे फेस पे मैं ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रही हूँ। एंड अगर आपके पास ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शन भी मैंने मेंशन कर दिया है, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट। It's time to apply the foundation. So as a foundation today I'm going to use these two foundation, Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation and Sugar Cosmetics Drop the Base Serum foundation. As the shade of the Becca Cosmetics foundation is little lighter on my skin, so I decided to use Sugar Cosmetics foundation along with that. So after mixing it up I'm going to apply this foundation all over my face and neck, and after that with the help of a kabuki brush I'm going to blend the foundation in. Now the next step to make the foundation more blended, seamless and flawless, I'm bouncing this sponge, this Real Technique sponge all over my face. Now to draw and fill up my eyebrow I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire Beauty, and after that to make it more bold and fill up all the sparse area on my eyebrow I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow product, and with the help of a small angular brush I'm going to deposit the product on my eyebrow. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूँगी. If you want you can check that out. Now to hide the dark circle and unevenness on my under eye area I'm going to use NYX HD concealer. The shade is CW05. इसकी जो अंडरटोन है इट्स अ पीच अंडरटोन कंसीलर जो बहुत अच्छे से डार्क सर्कल को हाइड करता है. Now to set the concealer and foundation I'm going to use this loose powder from Fit Me, and with the help of a kabuki brush I'm going to apply this powder all over my face and neck. Now to give a subtle depth warmth on my flat face I'm going to use this bronzer. You can say I use this bronzer as my contour product, and this is from Wet n Wild. It's called Color Icon bronzer. The shade is Sunset Striptease, and I'm going to use this product onto my hollow of my cheekbone, under my jawline, down below the hairline, and with the same product I'm going to contour my nose as well. मुझे ब्लश अप्लाई करना है और ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मैंने लिया है एलएमआर कॉस्मेटिक्स ब्लश ट्रायो. आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स अप दिस 3 blush right here, and I'm going to apply it onto my apple of my cheekbone, and along with that I'm bringing this blush little bit temple of my face, as you can see. Now it's time to apply the highlighter on my face, which is one of the important part in this look, and I'm using Ofra Nikki Tutorial highlighter. The shade is Glow Goals. This highlighter is a beaming highlighter, and you can see instantly this highlighter gave me a wet look. For function party makeup you definitely can use this type of highlighter, but everyday makeup ke liye I am not recommending this highlighter because it has lot of reflecting effects. But yes, for party makeup definitely you can use this type of beaming highlighter. As this makeup is very simple, subtle, yet gorgeous and elegant at the same time, and really very wearable in my opinion. So you can wear this makeup if you have any function at home, especially for the newlywed bride, and I think this is appropriate makeup for upcoming Karwa Chauth. Now to get the extra luminosity on my skin, I'm going to spray this makeup setting spray on my face. It is from MAC, and after spraying it all over my face, I'm going to blend all the products with this beauty sponge, which is from Real Technique. Now let's start the eye makeup. Today's eye makeup is going to be very simple. So as a eyeshadow product, I'm going to pick this eyeshadow from Becca Cosmetics. It's called a Light Glam Primer Topper Liquid Eyeshadow, which has two ends. One side contains the creamy base and the other side it has that glitter eyeshadow. तो अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, जो creamy base है वो पहले मैं अपने eyelid पे apply करूँगी. मैं पूरे eyelid पे ये creamy base apply कर रही हूँ, and after applying it with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to blend the harsh edges, and I am reapplying the eyeshadow and repeat the blending process one more time. Now after getting the desired base, top of that matte base, I'm going to apply the glitter eyeshadow from the other end, and मैं पूरे eyelid पे, लगभग पूरे eyelid पे मैं apply कर रही हूँ, as you can see. And after applying this eyeshadow, same as before, I'm going to diffuse the harsh edges of the glitter eyeshadow. To highlight the brow bone and inner corner area, I'm going to use the same highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. Now as an eyeliner, I'm going to use this eyeliner. Unfortunately right now I forgot the name, but as I mentioned before, all the product details are mentioned on my description box below. This is a pen eyeliner. So मैं एक simple सा eyeliner draw कर रही हूँ, nothing crazy, बस एक simple सा eyeliner मैं along with my lash line draw कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Now to tightline my eyes, I'm going to use this Lakme kajal, and I'm going to apply this kajal onto my upper waterline, and this is a very important step to complete any eye look. Now मैंने already off camera false eyelash apply कर लिया है, but if you are not comfortable to wear false eyelash, you can skip the step. और यहाँ पे मैं mascara apply कर रही हूँ. These days I like to use mascara after applying the falsie. इससे क्या होता है कि false eyelash और जो आपकी natural eyelash है वो बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है और एक natural look भी create करता है. Now as a lip product, I'm going to use two lip product, one lip liner which is from Steve Laurent. The shade is Vogue, which is a earthy tone lip liner, और जो लिपस्टिक मैं यूज़ करूँगी वो है नायका की तरफ से, नायका ब्यूटी की तरफ से, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड सो creamy matte lipstick in the shade Let It Snooze, which is a very beautiful earthy tone, almost nude color on our brown skin tone. So guys, this is the final look, and after completing this look, do not forget to apply the setting spray. I forgot to film that part on my video, but I definitely I did it. Without traditional jewelries, saree sari and a bindi, this look cannot be completed. So here I am with this full glam. आपको कैसा लगा guys? Please मुझे बताना. You can comment me under this video, and if you have any question in your mind, you can definitely reach out to me. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook because I'm really active over there. And please like this video if you like it. Share this video, share my channel with your friends and family. I'll be back here soon with another festive related content. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.